In this video, I'll show you how to transfer your project from Lovable to Google AI Studio. If you haven't signed up for Lovable yet, you can click on the first link in the description and sign up with a new email to get 25 credits absolutely free. Once you create your first project on Lovable, you'll see it under the My Project section. To transfer your Lovable project to Google AI Studio, open the project you want to transfer. The first step is to connect your project to GitHub. Before that, make sure your Lovable account is also connected to GitHub. If you don't know how to do this, I've already created a detailed video showing the process. It's linked in the description below. Once your project is open, click on the GitHub icon at the top, then click Connect GitHub, followed by Connect Project. Select your GitHub organization, then click Transfer Anyway. Wait for the connection to complete. As you can see, a GitHub repository has been created for our project. Click View on GitHub, and you'll see your entire project inside GitHub. Now you need to download the code files in zip format. Click on the code dropdown at the top, then click Download Zip and wait for the file to download. Now, to transfer it to Google AI Studio, go to your Google AI Studio account. Enter any random prompt. I'll simply type ABC, then click Build. As soon as it starts building, stop the generation, go to the code section and delete the code file it has already created. Click the plus icon, then click Upload Zip File and upload the zip file we downloaded from GitHub. Now enter a prompt like, I have uploaded a zip file that contains all the code for a website. I just want you to generate a preview for those code files. Click Enter and wait for Google AI Studio to process it. You might face an error saying it doesn't see the zip file in the project workspace. If this happens, click the plus icon again and re-upload your zip file. After uploading, delete the env file and .gitignore file that may have been created, then enter the same prompt again and press enter. As you can see, it has now detected the uploaded files. It shows edited 92 files. These are all the files from our zip folder. Google AI Studio has started working on the project to generate a preview. The processing time depends on the complexity of your project. It looks like Google AI Studio has generated a preview. Once processing completes, click on the preview. As you can see, this is our website, and it has done a great job transferring our Lovable website to Google AI Studio. Everything looks exactly the way it did on Lovable. If I go back to Lovable and compare the preview, you can see it's identical. Now you can start prompting Google AI Studio to make changes to your project however you like. The only thing to keep in mind is that the uploaded files must appear before any manual edits, so Google AI Studio can properly reference your project. Otherwise, it might show an error saying it doesn't find any zip files in the workspace. This is how you transfer your Lovable project to Google AI Studio. If you want to know how to get free credits on Lovable, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.